guys, sekhona le Sofa Park lana kuma-audition bakhona abantu bayaphuma niyabona. Khona omunye usisi siphuma phakathi ngibona ngathi usemudini. Hello sis, right?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ya saphila. Welcome to Speaker Now. Maybe ungasitshela igama lakho.
Igama lami ngu-Anathi.
Anathi. So Anathi yini ekubeka la ku-audition?
I love radio, so that's why I'm here.
So akhona ama-radio soka abakhona before maybe ngasibalela wona.
Yeah, I've been one eGoli,
Igama lani?
Mirafong 360 radio, so I've been there for like a year.
Yo, a year. This means i-passion ikhona. And about i-audition namhlanje bunjani ekuseni before ufika la ama-nerves?
Honestly, I was nervous. Andizokwazi because I'm used to those auditions where kuba kugcwala yonke laa nto leya. So I was like, what if I'll be late bese emvilayinini? But mandifika apha, as much as I was nervous, the more nithetha nabantu, the more wehlika.
But maningi ama-community radio station, why une-interest ukusebenza kule?
Yeah, maninzi, and most of them that is around, they hardly post out ama-auditions okanye babe nama-spaces. So I think that's why ndingakhange ndibe nako ukungena kuzo. But with this one, ithe xa ivela, I was interested. But okay, let me try this one because at least it's close by where I live.
So ungenile lapha phakathi, maybe khambe kanjani mawucabanga nje wazile ukudeliver lento do you prepare it because i-planning ne-delivery into eziwu-2 ezingafani.
And that's funny because what was on my mind, but okay, xa ndifika phayana I'll be like this and like this. Man ndifika, it was something else. I'm that one person ongakwazi ukuthetha le nto, if ndibhalile andikwazi uyithetha rather than ntsho le nto ingaphandle. So I forgot about the script. I just nje ndazenzela apha entlokweni yam, but all I can say is that yeah.
Oh, so before we let you go, ngifuna nje ukubuza something lapha ngaphathi mhlawumbe nge-language bafuna yiphi language, you can mix noma mhlawumbe ba-specify ukuthi bafuna isiXhosa?
No, abakhethi any language ozoba comfortable kuyo, because even if uba umSotho, it's fine, you can use your language. If you're comfortable with English, ngasebenzisa yona.
All the best. Sathemba khambe kahle nosuphuma khona.
Yeah, I pray and hope. I pray.
Sure guys, sekhona la kuma-audition e-Alfred Nzo i-community radio station. So sesithole nje umuntu osebuya phakathi. I think ungena umuntu ozositshela kahle ukuthi kuyenzakalani phakathi. Sho mfethu uba igama?
Igama uSimangele mfethu.
Simangele wakhona le-Montfrey?
Yeah, ngikhona la e-Montfrey.
So uzwe kanjani la ma-audition namhlanje?
Ngiwazwe khona ku-page yakhona ka-Facebook because ngikhona ku-page yabo ngabona befakile khona, then ke ndangenela kune-link phayana ongenela kuyo ye-registration ndafaka khona. Ndalokhu ndilandela ke ndabona uba i-venue izawuba lapha namhlanje apha kwaBhaca. Okay,
so as umuntu osubuya inside, maybe abantu abangangeni kwenzakalana inside apho, mhlawumbe ungabachazela laba babukeli ukuthi
phakathi hayi khona into ininzi xa ngaba ubuzipreparishile phayana, ngoba ufika uyazi-introducer, uzazise ungubani, waphi, then apha uzothini, wenza ishow okanye intoni, then ke kube sewunikezwa imizuzu emibini yokuba usasaze lo show yakho bowuyitsho.
So wena umuntu osubuka phakathi khambe njani? Awuxolela abantu khambe njani makucaba ngaphakathi?
Yeah, hayi andinawuqiniseka ngoba ke into eqala into ehlala ikhona ke la khona.
But
ezinye zezinto bendizixelela uba zizona zinto zokuqala emele uba ndiyazenza.
But according to ukwazile ukubonisa lama-skills ade kumele uwabonise wona?
Ya zona izikills ndizibonisile yona nto le.
Okay, mfethu sakubongela ngathi ngahamba kahle.
Yeah, asibonge baba.
Danko. Sure guys, sekhona apha ama-auditions e-Alfred Nzo i-community radio station yakhona, I think yaseMount Alifi. So mfethu, welcome to Speaker Now. Uba igama?
Siphiwe Jordan.
Siphiwe.
Siphiwe.
So nawe uze kuma-audition apha?
Bro, ndize kwi-auditions,
so maningi amashow eradweni, yiphi nisho oyifuna kakhulu makuthiwa bakugale chance le?
Bro wami uba ndifumana i-chance wena bro wami, ndizothetha ngale talk kahle siyokuncokola, sikhulume ngezinto zomhlaba, what's happening globally, yabo wena bro wami, updates ebantwini uba kwenzeka ntoni apha kwamanye amazwe ngaphesheya, even nalapha around locally, yabo. It's not about uba phi ngapha nangapha, but yeah, I'm about i-news ne-hits, latest news.
Yazi from my experience abantu abaningi abake baye eradweni into abayisaba kakhulu i-talk show because ayidojeki, yabo. La mashow music uyakwazi shaya ilinkinyana udlala ingoma, wona ufuna i-talk show?
Yeah bro, i-talk show yena ndiyirhalelayo.
Yeah.
Ndiyirhalela the most because like i-experience esendinayo according about life uba funeka wenze kanjani uthini yabo. So ndingumntu omamelayo iva izimvo zabanye abantu then nam bazive uba kusetyenziswa
Interesting. So nje mina mfethu nje njengoba nginenkinga ngumuntu nje osoliswa umjolo mhlawumbe unganginika yiphi advice as umuntu wena ozo-advise abantu une-platform yaseRedwin?
Umjolo bra wami yabona umjolo is very simple wena bhuti omdala yabo, but it's just that abantu bavele bayenze kube yinto enkulu na bhuti omdala because it's like kwi-relationship wena bra akumelanga ube ngumntu ozifakayo kakhulu emntwini, but leave a room for disappointment. It's not like umthandi lo mntu, but just leave a room for disappointment. Everything nje uyenza sozifaka kakhulu emntwini, mthande but uyazi uba nantoni na ingenzeka yabo.
No, ngiyakuzwa. I think uzoba ama-advice nami ngibuyisela ithemba mfethu. Bese ngiqala ukulilahla mfethu i-age ihambile mfethu. So namhlanje uvalo oluthini ngoba usuphile bakhona abantu ababona banethalente ba-different baphuma ey'ndaweni ey'ningi abakusabisi?
Bra wami koyika but ke ndisenilapha ngoku. Yabo, so ndizoyenza, ayinayo enye choice and ke it's my first time and kudala ndiziqalela into ezikanje nabhuti, so ngoku it's my first time, I'm going to do my best.
Mfethu abo uma ufika lapha wenza into yakho ungathusweli abantu fusha into yakho isitori sakho. Sharp mfethu. Thank you mfethu. Sure guys, sekhona la kuma-audition e-Alfred Nzo FM. So sithole umuntu futhi ongakangeni phakathi uvalo luphezulu. So mfethu welcome to Speaker Now begama.
Jackson wakwadlambe ukuthi
Jackson uzizwa ithini i-feeling yakho before ungena la?
i-feeling ama-nerves aphezulu, yonke into nje ngiyatatazeleka, umzimba uyashake nje.
Why ufuna ukuba se-Redwin?
I've been on a radio before.
Mhlawumbe
SYR FM before, but then due to izinto-ke ndapha ndibuyele eMontfrey, so ngifuna ukubuyela back e-radio.
So nje mawubheka atmosphere abantu abala ukhona ukuthusa la labo uma audition nokubona abantu mase uyathuka maybe ukhona umuntu okuthusa,
but looks can be deceiving sometimes. So akufanele abantu bathathele phansi bonke, bakhona abantu mawuthethe babhekile, bakhona nje napha kwesa-stand nani babhekile ngibona ukuthi into besaba baya.
So are you well prepared for into ezwenza la inside up?
To be honest, I'm not well prepared.
Prepared.
I'm only thinking ukuthi ngayenza le because I've done it before.
So you auditioned before?
No, I've never been on audition, but I've been into the radio, in the radio presenter SYR.
Okay, I know. All the best. Sina Speaker nawe sihamba nani nonke nje siniphethe sifuna unicover la ngaphansi. So masongena phansi ungathuka kakhulu izinto yakho.
So samba relaxed.
Okay.
Samba relaxed.
Thank you first. Sure guys, sekhona ama-audition la Alfred Nzo Community Radio Station. So fire seMontfrey. So sesithola abantu baqumbu. Nangu umuntu oqumbu esimaziyo. Kakhulu welcome to Speaker Now, right?
Ndiyaphila njani?
Saphila kade sikufuna for interview sithola nini?
I know.
Okay, but namhlanje asizanga ngalokho ke. So ithini feeling yakho la uze ku-audition? Khona uvala khona ama-nerves, right?
Obviously akhona ama-nerves and ama-nerves will always be there, but the nice thing is that ayo audition yami yokuqala le, so I know what to expect and what to
So
do.
awuthuwanga kakhulu.
So yeah, not bad, but
Okay, so futhi usufikile na kuma-interview kuma-auditions uzizwa kanjani?
Ngiziva nginalo ixhalana elithile because ngiyaqala ukwayenza ama-audition ebomini bami, azange ngayenza ama-audition, ngizabe ngiqala ngqa. Of course ama-audition, you know, kuthiwa mos are more of interviews, but I feel like are totally different. So yeah, likhona elaa xhala eliya because xa uthethayo you just have to uba i-voice yakho
So ngizwa ngathi wena uyabuwa maybe igama uba ubhuti.
Okay, lebitso la ka ke Kgethisi Mothibi, haeso ke Thabakgolo kwana Mount Fletcher.
Okay, i-question yami la. So mawufika lapha uzopresenta ngayiphi language?
Ka Sesotho ntate.
Okay. So bengifuna uzwa lokho because abantu abaningi banale confusion bazopresenta ngani, abanye bazoba nge-English. So decide yiphi yona?
Xhosa that.
Xhosa.
Yes.
Okay, because ngiyakwazi u-SABC 3 kakhulu English. Uyayithanda, so decide Xhosa.
Yes, but most apparently it's like 60% or whatever your home language yakho is in 40 Xhosa. So that means akunyanzelekanga mhlawumbe ixesha ukuthi imizuzu mingapi, you can just say 9 or something.
So if uyayithola le gig yase-Alfred Nzo, are you willing to move to Mount Alif?
Yes, definitely. I was actually thinking about it. Maybe I wouldn't move. Maybe I would travel for the first few months. Yes. Maybe drive to and from. I mean, xa uyifuna into, you literally
go through the ends. So whatever that's going to work, but the focus yam now is getting the actual gig, then sizayibona ngoko.
Okay, I know sinifisela ngokuhle kathi ngihamba kahle. All the best bro.
Inkosi.
Sharp. Sure guys, sisekhona uspeaker nawe sipholile la sesofa seMonfrey. So sesithole nelinye artist lize kuma audition eRadio. Welcome mfethu, uba igama.
Igama uGiven Makaula, but I go by the stage name Ikumkani SA.
Oh, ikhungane say. So given I think ngeke ngakubona kuma posters se-underground uwe lo ukubhaliwe lapho uzoperform.
Yeah, ndimkhulu.
Okay, so yini kubeka kuma audition eRadio?
Actually mina ngizange audition ndikhaphe umngane wami o-DJ Ziyamlandela. Since besisuka sonke endlini.
So mawubheka nje lapha maybe unayo chance mawubheka abantu wena umazi ethi uhlala naye.
Yeah, out of 10 ngamnika u11.
Ngamnika
11 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wena as u-artist maybe ubona ikhona ivelu ukuba khona kwi-community radio station lakhe eMonfrey ngoba ingekho.
Ngani value kakhulu basimenayo i-community radio la eMonfrey. Because there's a lot of things esingakhona ukuzipromote just because asinayo i-platform yala eMonfrey. As the artists ala eMonfrey.
Okay.
And neindaba zala eMonfrey into ezingakhona ukuphumayo.
Okay. So speaker now is like lokunyama artist i-platform be-advertise music wabo maybe wena khona something oyidrophayo anytime soon bekubone mhlawumbe ukhona umuntu ozofuna ukulalela into zakho lapho.
This time I'm still working kwi-project yami, i-album. So enzokhupha but i-date angabi sure ngayo. But before November izobe say out.
So abakuthola phi abantu maybe kuma platform uma efuna ukumamela music wakho?
Ku-YouTube ngikhona izikumkani SA, Spotify ngikhona izikumkani SA kuzo zonke i-digital platforms.
Okay, hayi khumkani ngisakubona ngathi uyavela kancane masuvela kuma performances afana noMaqobe Twins ubukhona izolo kule event yase-underground.
Benikhona mkhulu benikhona.
So bonke la bantu base-Durban bafikile because thina siphinde singawabhelieve ama-promoters abantu abafiki bafikile oxola bonke bafikile.
Yeah, bafikile mkhulu. The videos are out there live ku-pages underground. Umuntu angakholwa zikhona zonke.
So ingakanani i-value noma i-impact yale ndawo yase-underground ezinina anama-artist akhona la eMonfrey?
That form nice artist say nethuba isebenza underground. Sport nina sithola spotlight the platform leyana yaniveza out there.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. Sekhona apha eSophia Park seMonfrey sima audition. So sesithola ubhuti la engathi u-ready bhuti uba igama.
Luthethayo nguSamkelo Ntambekwana usuka embodleni kwala Monfrey.
So bhuti sima audition eRadio la maybe ukwaba se-radio before noma una interest eRadio yini kubeka la?
Ya ukuba lapha ndingumuntu onomdla ukuzokwenza usasazo ndikwazi ukunika abantu information endakube ndinayo ngelo xesha ndizobe ndingaphakathi eRadioweni.
So eRadio iziningi inhlelo khona abantu abenza isports khona entertainment khona ezenkolo maybe wena makuthiwa uyayithola islot yini into ongafuna ukuyenza la eRadio okuyona o-interested kuyona?
Kune informations eziba khona zingaziwa ngabantu, so ndiyahalela uba ndibe ngumuntu endinegalelo ngokuveza ezo zinto abantu abangaziboni outside there.
So before uza la suke wayimamela before maybe i-radio station le kuyiyona host ama-audition i-Alfred Nzo khona maybe noma uyi-one omaziyo khona noma nje uzoqhala nje lakhe namhlanje?
Ndiyayimamela. Ya ndiyayimamela, ndinazo i-shows phaa kuyo ndizimamelayo, ndinazo endingazimameliyo. Yes.
So bakhona abantu baninzi la maybe ilakhi i-feeling yakho uthukile noma uzoyenza kahle mawufika phakathi?
No, hayi andithukanga msasaza, andithukanga msasazo wami. No, ndikhululekile nje. Yes.
Angathi ungayibamba njani uma sofika ngaphakathi ukhiphe le energy yakho ungafiki uthuswa amajaji lapha uthuswe namakhamera ufike wenza into yakho lo eplanini. Okay, sabonga mfethu sathi ngihamba kahle inside.
Thank you Bulela Mabutanga. Thank you.
Sure guys, we are still watching Speaker Now. We are coming live from ama audition. Bakhona abanama nerves, bakhona abane confident. Lo sise simena I think omunye umuntu uyathemba kakhulu. Welcome sisu Speaker Now, bye gama.
Ngotsilani wakalitsiye.
Ngathi awuqala uza ama audition indlela one energy ngayo usuka audition before.
Ewe ndike ndeza kwenye audition party ibe i-audition ye-festival.
Oh, festival.
Not ye-radio kodwa.
How did you do la? Waperformela noma waba nama nerves kwenzakala?
Ndayibetha into yam but if ke mhlawumbe uyayazi into ba if asolilanga lakho lokuba
Kwangalinelanga lakho.
ukhethwe uyabona but ndike ndane kwenye i-audition apha eCitavel for uku-actor and then baye bandikhetha phayana so ikhona into besisayenza phayana eCitavel.
Oh, so umuntu wa-acting yintoni ekudibanisa ne-radio because i-radio ne-acting I think into eziwu-two different kahle.
I think kwi-radio because ndingunomntu lo othanda nokushumayela the word of God, ilizwi likaNkulunkulu, as uba ekugqibeleni kukhona abantu futhi phaa ngaphandle iintliziyo zabo zibuhlungu banida mhlawumbe la mazwi okuba sibaphakamise nasemoyeni.
Okay. So do you think maybe eradweni like do we need more shows akhuluma ngenkolo because I think eradweni time slot inkolo bavele beyifaka iSunday for 2 hours then for the whole week iyadlondoza. Ithini opinion yakho?
Yes, I think yes bayafuneka abantu abazothetha ngoNkulunkulu. As bengitshilo ngithi ukuze kuphakamiswe nemeya yabo kukhona abantu abahlangana nezinto ezininzi phaa ngaphandle even if umuntu akaye ecaweni but nansi i-radio which is i-Alfred Njo Community Radio iveza into zenkonzo kulapho ke ngoku umuntu azawuphakama emba nam ngenye imini which means ubomi bam buzawutshintsha.
Okay, ahlebeke manje utshela mina ngedwa. Ngiyazi uze ema-audition but do listen to Alfred Nzo because abanye bavele sebevumba ama-audition futhi maybe akazina ne-show eyi-one. Ngihlebele ngengitshele umuntu le video izophuma after kuzobe sekudecidiwe.
Yes, ndiyamamela Alfred Nzo but kakhulu phaa ngomgqibelo.
Bani umaziyo?
Kukhona usisi kuthiwa ngusisithathu phana obetha into zesuthu kakhulu then after yena ke kungene enye ethi sokonakele.
Okay, I know I think omunye umuntu olalela ngempela i-radio bethi maybe ngizokubamba off guard. Okay, sabonga ukuthi sinike ixesha lakho.
Enkosi ndiyabonga nawe.
Sharp.
Enkosi.
Yabona ukuthi sure guys, so yena speaker nawe sekona ama-audition lana. So sithola usisi la usisi lona uthe ufuna ukusikhulumela indaba zo-acting and stuff so sisi uba igama lakho?
Igama lami lingoSesethu Dlephu.
Okay, Sesethu maybe wena as umuntu wenza izinto ze-acting yini ekuletha kuma-audition e-radio?
I'm versatile. I'm a broadcaster for TV, for radio. I'm an actor. I'm all about media. Yeah.
But i-acting kunama-preparations, kuno-cuts and paste. Eradweni like sahamba nje one time, so do you think we can cope?
I can cope because I've been in the radio industry for 5 years.
Jesus, 5 years?
Yeah.
Awumind maybe ungimention ama-radio station now?
I've worked for UCRFM, situated in Mthatha, NMD campus, Walter Sisulu, Old Library. I worked for Ingwane FM, it's a Fort Gele, ECDC House. Yeah, those are both community radios that I've worked for.
So ngifuna ukuzwa kuleli side le media ne-TV, maybe uke waya ko-Jozi because i-media ibig kakhulu noma nje ubuloku uzama khona around la?
Okondizama apha e-Eastern Cape because thina lanto ethi you can become whatever that you want, wherever that you are, as long as you stick to your dream.
Bayezwa I think nami yona ke into esishare now because nami yona belief yami leyo. So ake sikhulume ngento namhlanje size la kuma-auditions kuhambe kanjani ekuseni sike sakhuluma nawe before uyongena manje sobuya khona ithini imood yakho?
Mna ke ndingulaa mntu osoloke kwi-mood eyi-one because I believe that whatever that is yours, despite the mistakes that you've done or whatever that eyenzekileyo that is negative, if into yeyakho, it will always be yours.
So maybe kumuntu ongakaze eze kuma-audition before yiphi mhlawumbe advice ongamnika yona oqala nje ukuya-audition?
Just be yourself umntase, iba nguwe, believe in yourself, ube ne-confidence in whatever that you do. Akho nto abalume bentu be-auditions, you just uze apha uzibonakalisa ubuwena, do not fake anyone. You may be unayo i-role model okanye someone that you're looking up to, but wena just focus on you and be yourself.
Yazi sinokubuka ama-idols sibukele nama-competition amajaji abantu abaqumba anjani awa like amajaji?
Very nice and sweet, ba-welcoming ngeyona ndlela bakwenza ube comfortable and ube more confident in you.
So wena so inside maybe bakunikeza ixesha elingakanani?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
I think this was more than enough.
It was more than enough andiqondi noba ndiyigqibile even nayo loo 2 minutes.
So bese beyithulile into abayifunayo.
Yebo.
Sakubongela sisi. I think okuzokwenzeka namhlanje noma ungathathwanga I think wena umuntu oseseradweni naye ise bright future.
Ukufa.
Siyabasi. Sharp.
Oh,